How to make crawling text animation. So if you want to make crawling text or scrolling text animation, then first you need to go with create project. Once you're on the create project, now you need to go with import, which is on the upper left, and then import a video. And here you will have the video, right? You just need to simply drag and drop the video. And here you need to go with the background. So I'll be taking it as an overlay, and you can simply adjust it. So once you've adjusted it, what you need to do is just go with the animation option. Under animation, you can simply go with an animation, which is I'll be choosing fade out, enlarge that. And now you need to add a text. Go with text and go with the default text. And you need to simply add a text, go with plus and add any text that you're comfortable with. And now what you need to do is just take that to the bottom and you need to enlarge your text. Once you've enlarged, you need to place your text on that black interface. Now once you've added that, you need to enlarge your text to your whole video. And after that, you need to add some keyframes to make the crawling effect. So what you need to do is just go with the first part of the video from where it starts and go with the right side. And here you will have an option of position. So make sure to turn off the option of uniform scale. And then under position, you will have keyframe. Click on the keyframe and go with the second position and swipe right, and again add the other keyframe, and then go with the third position and again swipe it right, and it will automatically add the keyframe once you swipe. And then go with the next part and again swipe and go with the last part and again swipe it to the last. And now if you play the video, then you can see that you will have that scrolling or crawling text. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.